day for $10.
Okay. This is going to be how to change your belt on your Gravely ZT42, I believe.
LX
42. Let's see what it is. There you go. ZTXL 42. Alright. First off, these covers need to come off on each side. You got 3 nuts, hold them in. And they have a nylon washer underneath the plastic to separate them from the deck. So don't lose your nylon washer when you take these off.
And they're 3/8.
They're
3/8.
3/8 inch in size. Now, if you got in a bad situation where your belt broke and you lost the routing information, we will show you belt routing here when we put the belt on. Thankfully, I took a picture of it before I started the season because I had this happen before. This side.
Good deep well. 960. A little deeper.
So you need a 9/16 for that.
For everything but the 3/8. Now I need a bolt.
Just tightening up that shield.
Yeah, this one I had to reach way under here.
And this is the routing of the pulley with the tensioner loose. After you reconnect this tensioner, it'll pull everything tight. What is it you're tightening on?
This pulley, this belt thing.
The guide.
Separator thing. I'm tightening on. This one's turning the wrong way. And this way I had to push it that way, didn't I?
Yep.
There you
Push
go.
it that way. There you go.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Make sure your belt's right by looking at it.
These little nylon washers They're what I'm talking about. Have to go between the pulley shield and the deck.